much mandatory, but once you've made this lifestyle change, it's important not to overdo it. So we checked in with fitness guru Julia Elzamore, and she had some good news if you've ever thought you might end up getting a bit too bulky.
So, how do you get muscles without getting buff? There are a ton of ways that you can gain muscle, but I think the biggest thing to take away from this is the misconception that if you lift heavy, that you're going to bulk. And no, it actually takes a whole lot of food and tons of hours of training to actually bulk. If it was that easy, trust me, everybody would be walking around with a whole ton of muscles. So, being able to develop muscles, it does take strength training. So when you're on a strength training program, for the most part, you are doing higher weight and lower reps.
Well, it sure is a relief to hear we can't bulk up by accident. But since we're still in a bit of a hurry to get back in shape, high-intensity interval training, or HIIT for short, is what we're looking for. It's become the go-to program for many a super celeb who wants to get their body into perfect shape very, very quickly. Elzamore, who's a bit of a HIIT training specialist herself, offers this type of workout to her many A-list clients in her studio called Circuit.
The Circuit is a high-intensity interval training studio. We track your heart rate in the class as well, so you get to see how many calories you burn. We have TVs that are all up around with the different workouts that go on in here. The idea is strength and conditioning all around. You have TRX, bikes, pull-up bars, rowers, fit bench, which is a phenomenal piece of equipment, just to go to toys. And then we have a treadmill. So we play with all of those different ways in here. We're mostly at a high-intensity rate.
The rules of high-intensity interval training are very simple. Push yourself really hard, rest, then push yourself really hard again for about 20 to 45 minutes. But there's more to it than just extremely hard work.
Well, it lowers your blood sugar. It increases your metabolic heart rate. It also decreases your resting heart rate. And it also allows your heart to recover much faster when you work out very hard. You burn more calories in a shorter amount of time. And you start your day with it, it's great because you actually burn more calories throughout the entire day. High-intensity interval training is also never boring because you're constantly mixing it up with different movements. So the body doesn't get used to routine, right? Routine is the enemy, and in here there is no routine.
And whatever you do, never ever skip leg day.
Legs are super, super important. They keep you well balanced. Your biggest muscle in your body is your gluteus maximus, and that is your biggest muscle. Right? I don't know why, but for most times, men like to skip legs. Ladies love legs. We do legs all day long, which is why our upper bodies are a little weaker, but men, for some reason, only like to do upper body. They want to look buff, they want to take the shirt off and look good, and then you're kind of like, what happened to your leg, guy? Just make sure that you're doing legs. You want to be well proportioned, symmetrical. It's not only just to feel better, but aesthetically, it just looks better.
There you have it. As long as we stick to that, we'll have that superstar body back in no time at all.
Parental guidance is advised for the following program.
Two teams will raid the cage, trying to win hundreds of thousands of dollars in prizes. The teams will compete by answering trivia questions to earn time in the cage, grabbing as many prizes as they can. But be careful, when that time is up, those doors will close. And if they get locked in the cage, they lose everything from that round. But if they get any part of their body through the cage doors,